welcome back. Today I have a big haul. I have collected a lot of clothes in the past few months because when I'm stressed, I shop. I online shop. So I've been stressing out a lot because of uni, so I've been doing a lot of shopping. So most of these items that I'm going to be showing you are from the thrift store. I hope you guys enjoy this and I hope you can get some inspiration and stuff. So let's get started. So the first few clothes are from Cotton On. I used to work at Cotton On, but I hardly shop there. But anyway, so the first thing is this jacket. And it's like a crop jacket. It's not very thick, so it's not ideal just to wear on its own during the winter, so it's good for layering. I've already worn this and it's so comfortable, and it was on sale for only $15, so it was a steal. And yeah, I love it. It's so simple and I can layer it with jumpers underneath. So it's just a basic black crop jacket that I can't wait to wear in the winter. The next thing is this peasant top. Now you guys know I love my peasant tops, especially if they're white. They've been in style for quite a long time now, and I don't think I'm gonna get tired of it. But this is just another long sleeve peasant top, a white one that is so pretty. The fabric is quite thin, which isn't ideal for the upcoming winter season, but I guess you can still wear this on a nice sunny day paired with high-waisted jeans and some mules, and I love it. It's so pretty. It's so simple. This was $15 on sale, I think, which is quite good for the price because peasant tops are really in right now. In the middle it has like this stretchy material and it just hugs my body so nicely, and yeah, I love it. It's so pretty. The next top, or a bodysuit, is the sheer red cheetah print long sleeve one with like a zipper down the middle. I was really keen to wear this because I saw it on the model and she paired it with these denim 3/4 shorts, which are also really popular right now, and I thought that was really cool. So I got myself this, and underneath I just wear a singlet because it's very sheer, but I just thought it would be like a really cool addition to my wardrobe since I don't really have a lot of patterned clothes in my wardrobe. So I thought this would be a cool one to add, and it is wearable for the winter because again you can layer it over a black turtleneck or something, a long sleeve, because it's mesh and it's quite stretchy. So yeah, I love the pattern of this. It's so loud and it's just so cool, which I love because cheetah print right now is really popular, and I love that it's in this color, red and black. So yeah, this is so pretty, and I love how it like zips up in the middle like that, and it's just so cool. I just feel so cool when I like wear this. The next two tops are just some basic ones. These are also from Cotton On, but yeah, they're just very basic black tops that I can layer underneath that mesh top. But I love the silhouette of each one. They look very similar, like just black tops, but this one is a square neck one, which I thought was really cool. It just adds a little bit of style into your otherwise very boring black top. It's quite cropped and it's very tight fitting, but this was I think $7, which isn't too bad for a basic top. The other top is a bit longer and it was also $7, but the cut on this one is like a boat neck cut collar thing. It still shows off the collarbones, but it's just a little bit more interesting with this boat neck thing, and it wraps around your shoulders like that. I don't know. I'm just trying to make this simple black top look interesting and sound interesting, but it's honestly just a simple black top. But yeah, I can't wait to wear these underneath jackets and layer in the winter. Now the next one, the last thing that I got from Cotton On, is very loud, very colorful, which isn't ideal for the winter season, but hey, you can wear whatever you want whenever you want. So this is a very loud neon skirt that is very interesting. It doesn't turn out as green on the screen, but it's very neon. It has this like interesting cut in the center, which I thought was really cool. And yeah, it's quite high-waisted, very tight-fitting. I got this in a size 6, and this was, wait, is this a size? Yeah, size 6, and this was, I think, $10. But yeah, I just thought it would be really cool addition to my wardrobe. I don't have a lot of color in my wardrobe, so I'm slowly and surely adding a bit more, and this is obviously a very colorful one. And yeah, I love to pair this with my Doc Martens and just a simple black tee, but I will try to get the most wear out of this during autumn, which I think will still be quite acceptable if I like wear it with like a coat or something, or a thick jacket. I don't know, but yeah, I really love this. I love neon, and I want to get more neon things because neon's very in, if you guys haven't noticed. But yeah, neon's very in right now. So the next two things are from Slow Saturdays Market. They had their second one just a few weeks ago, and me and my friend went with my boyfriend, and I got some cool stuff. I love this market. They've had it twice already. I went to the first one, and I also made a haul on the things that I got from there in this video, if you guys haven't watched it. I can't wait for the next one because I am thinking of selling my clothes in the next one, because it's just a really cool initiative of just people just selling their stuff, and it goes on for the whole day, and it's so cool because you get to find a lot of cool clothes from cool people. So the first thing that I got from Slow Saturdays is this very cool jacket that I'm in love with. It's one of my favorite jackets in my wardrobe. This is gonna be so good for the winter because it's so thick. If only you could feel how thick it is and how cozy it is through the screen. It's very cozy, and it gets really cold here in New Zealand down under, so I'm excited to wear this in the winter. Also, my boyfriend and I are going to Queenstown. We're gonna go to the snow in September, so this is gonna be so good, and so it's gonna keep me warm and cozy, which I'm so excited about. Oh, the brand is Dickies. It's from Dickies, which is pretty cool. And guess how much I got this for? $25, and it's in perfect condition. I'm so stoked about this jacket. I'm so excited to wear it in the winter. The quality is top notch, and the seller actually told me that she used to wear this when she'd go to the snow, so I know for sure that this is gonna keep me warm. But yeah, I love it. So excited. The last thing that I got from Slow Saturdays Market is one of my favorite pieces in my wardrobe, and I am so happy that I found this. This was the first thing that I found when I stepped inside, and it is this leopard print dress, like a slip dress that is originally from Glassons, which is, I think, sold out. I'm not quite sure, but It was originally from Glassons and I got it from a seller for only $20, which is such a massive steal because I think originally this is around $80 or something, but it's very expensive, and the quality is so good considering that it's from a fast fashion retail store. But yeah, I love it. The print is so nice. It's not too big because some cheetah print or some leopard prints are just too obnoxious for me. So this is a very subtle print. It has like white stripes and then brown, and it's just so nice, and it's quite sheer but has a slip underneath so you can't really see anything, and it has like a cowl neck, which is so flattering for someone like me who has no boobs. But yeah, I love it. It's so nice, and it's a maxi skirt, which at first I was hesitant about because I'm quite short. I'm 5'6", and maxi dresses and maxi skirts don't look really nice on me, but when I tried it on, it was so flattering. And this is great for like formal events, or I can even style this casually on a daily basis just by wearing like an oversized jumper over it and some Doc Martens, and I'm sus for the autumn season. This is so cool, and I'm so happy that I found this. So this is the top that I got from Depop. It's just this long sleeve white waffle knit jumper or top that says feeling peachy, fresh and delicious, which I thought was really cute. But yeah, it's just so pretty and so cute. It's also very comfortable because it's like this waffle knit material that is so cool, and if I get tired of wearing this, I can just wear it as pajamas because it's so comfortable. But yeah, this is feeling peachy. The next or last few clothes items are from the thrift store. I went to the thrift store that's close to my house just a few days ago, and I got so lucky because I found some Levi's with like the best wash, light wash. Guess how much? Guess. Comment down below. No, don't, because that's weird. But I got these for $5 each. $5 each, which is such a steal because you can't find that anywhere else. A lot of vintage stores and thrift stores in New Zealand, they sell Levi's jeans for like $80, $100, $50, very expensive. And I only got these for $5, and they're the perfect size for me, and perfect wash, perfect length, and I'm so lucky. I'm just so lucky that I found these. But yeah, these will be treasured forever in my wardrobe because they're very hard to find, and I'm so glad I found them for only $5 each. $5 each. So yeah, I'm so happy that I found these. They fit perfectly on me, and the wash, and they look quite new. Like if you look at the signs, well, not this one. This one looks quite new. The sign still looks pretty new. This one has like buttons. It's like a button up, which is quite like, some people find this quite annoying because when you go and pee, you kind of have to unbutton everything, which I don't mind. I really don't mind. But yeah, these are everything that I got from the thrift store and from the Slow Saturdays market and Cotton On. Expect to see more of these hauls because I just know I'm gonna be so stressed in the next few weeks, and I'm gonna be buying a lot of things, which isn't good, which isn't healthy, but hey, whatever floats my boat, I think. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and all that stuff. But yeah, thank you for watching.